I just received this CONFU hairdryer and I've been testing it out for a little over a week now, and so far I absolutely love it. This hairdryer has a lot of cool features and 4 different buttons, so I wanted to go over those really quick. It also has a beautiful LCD smart display, which is something that I've also been loving as well. When you first turn it on with the power switch button, you'll notice that it starts out at a medium speed and warm air by default. It's really nice to look at the screen and be able to see exactly what settings I'm using. This first button controls the 3 different wind speeds, which features 75,000, 95,000, and 110,000 RPM. Next up is the wind temperature setting button, and it has 4 different temperatures. Blue is low warm air, yellow is warm air, and orange is hot air. When there's no light, that means that only cool air is coming out. I really love being able to choose the exact settings that work best for my hair type. One of my favorite features on this hairdryer is the quick shift button. First, you'll want to change the wind speed and the temperature to your ideal settings. When you press the quick shift button once, the hairdryer will automatically revert to the cool air setting. You'll also see that the light has turned white to indicate this. When you press it again, it'll alternate between hot and cold air. You'll see it flashing white and orange. When pressed a third time, it will revert back to your custom settings from the beginning. This has made it so convenient for me to be able to change settings easily and quickly. This hairdryer also has a magnetic filter and features a self-cleaning mode that makes it really easy to keep clean. In order to start self-cleaning mode, you'll want to make sure that the hairdryer is off. You'll then hold down the quick shift button and simultaneously turn the hairdryer on. The hairdryer will then blow air through the filter and automatically turn off after 10 seconds. The main reason I love this hairdryer is just because of how versatile it is. All of the different buttons and features really make sure that you're going to get the perfect hair drying experience no matter your hair type.